Kapapasok lang na balita mga kaibigan, isang 50 anyos na lalaki ang nagdiriwang ng kanyang kaarawan. Para sa karagdagang balita, narito si Jack Batallones para sa report.
Happy birthday, Louie! I wish you all the best dyan sa New Zealand. Good luck sa inyo ni Jerby.
Okay, I heard 50 years old ka na. Oh, you're
So,
gonna be
binisto mo naman.
golden.
Oo, tama.
Hindi, but wish you all the best, more blessings. And 50 is the new 20.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Hello, buds. Mata. Buddy. Kumusta? Tayo nag-chat-chat na, no? Minsan nga add mo ko para makapag-chat tayo. Tagal na nating di nagkikita. Ano ba itsura? 40 plus. Sabi nga natin dati, 40 na to, gwapings pa. Siyempre naman, kitang-kita ang ebidensya, di ba? 40 plus. Parang 23. 23 panganay. Magbe-birthday ka na. Sana maging masaya ka lagi. Magandang kalusugan. Huwaging pamumuka. At ang malalaking mata ay mapanatili. Happy birthday sa'yo. At sana maging maligaya ka sa araw ng iyong karawan. Ito yung iyong buddy, si Kuya Ibs Ebyong.
Para, happy birthday, 50 ka na. Ingat palagi dyan, Brad. I love you.
Happy birthday to a brother from another mother. Alam mo yan para magkapatid na yung turingan natin. Yung tatay ko, tatay mo, yung tatay mo, tatay ko rin, di ba? So, happy birthday, paring Louie. Welcome to the club. Nakadala ako sa'yo ng ilang araw, pero golden boy ka na rin. So, yun nga, hindi na tayo bumabata. Payo ko sa'yo, alagaan mo palagi yung sarili mo. Dapat yung priority natin, yung health na natin para mas ma-enjoy pa natin yung mga moments natin kasama yung family natin. Again, happy birthday. Ingat ka palagi dyan and kita-kits soon.
Hello, Kuya Louie. Happy birthday. Wish ko sa birthday mo good health. Lagi kayo masaya ng family mo. Enjoy life. Always pray. God bless. Be happy. God bless. Thank you.
Para sa isa sa mga haligi ng Padilla, happy birthday. At kahit na 35 years yung agwat natin, naging tropa pa din. Kaya thank you, Kuya Louie. Happy birthday ulit. Good health and God bless.
I would like to greet you the happy birthday and I wish you the best of everything. Sorry, I'm not the speaker straight, but I'm just adjusting. What's it, friends, huh? What do you want? I will give you this, and everything. This is, I'm so rich, my nigga. Happy birthday. Live what you want and want what you live. Thank you, sir. I love you, brother. I love you. And I know you love me. Peace out, man.
Happy 50th birthday sa'yo, Mata. Sabi niya,
Happy birthday! Matanda ka na!
miss you. Ingat lagi dyan.
Paring Louie, happy birthday. Mag-ingat lagi. Maghugas ng kamay before and after eating. Huwag magpapatuyo ng pawis sa likod. Mag-ingat sa pagkain ng taba. And enjoy this day with your family. And don't forget to sing happy birthday 2 times.
Hi, Manong. Happy birthday. 50 ka na pala. Ha? Pero, wala yun sa edad, di ba, Manong? Still looks young. Bata pa rin. I hope you have a great celebration with your loved ones. Siyempre, with Jerby and your kids. Hope you enjoy your birthday. Miss ko na banding natin. Nila Manong, ikaw Manong, si Jules, si Jerbs, and the rest of the group. Happy birthday, happy birthday, Manong. May you live forever. No, just kidding. Not forever, syempre. Pero, may you have a long life with your family and enjoy your stay there in New Zealand. Happy birthday again. Bye. See you soon.
Par, 50 ka na. Aba, matanda ka na. Happy birthday, Par. Miss ka na namin. Mahal na mahal ka namin. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. How are you? Hope God will continuously provide you with your needs. Nandiyan na rin ng mga bata. It's nice to be there with the children. Jerby, how are you? Work and work. Take care of yourselves. As we hope that in the future we will visit you there. As we are all here, always very busy. Marami pang work to be done. You know that there are lots of students taking up nursing, and we also have students to take care of. May God bless you always, and keep safe. May all the children be happy too. Happy birthday. May God bless you. Happy birthday. Sa'yo ang pulutan, sa'yo ang inumin. Happy birthday. May God bless you and your family.
Ko na lang yan babawasan. 1, 2, 3, go!
Birthday mo ngayon! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Birthday mo ngayon! Bigyan ng jacket yan! Shh! Yan. Okay. Talks na. Ano yan?
Brother, Kosa, Utol, by Louie. Parang kailangan na nating maghinay-hinay, magbantay at mag-iwas sa mga pagkaing magulay. Tsaka yung tea. Iwasan din natin yung mga herbal na yan. Dapat ngayon, dito na tayo sa humba. Si Charon, cook. Kidding aside. Louie, ako'y masaya at binabati kita sa iyong ika-50 kaarawan, your 50th birthday. Sana naway pagpalain ka ng ating puong may kapal. God bless you at magsaya kayo. Happy birthday, Bro Louie.
And more blessings to come.
1, 2, 3, go. Happy
birthday, Sir
Louie. Wishing you good health and more blessings to come. Yay!
See you soon!
Hi Sir Louie, happy birthday. More years to celebrate. Kumusta ka naman dyan sa New Zealand? Siguro nagpapagatas ka na dyan. Kumusta naman ang mga chikitings mo. Hope enjoy kayong lahat dyan kasi sama-sama na kayong lahat. Miss you. Miss you all, Ma'am Jerby, Pors and Pars. Ingat kayo lagi. Bye-bye.
Hi, Sir Louie. Good afternoon. It's 3 p.m. in the Manila, Philippines. Happy birthday, Sir Louie. We miss you so much. And the Bo and all of you, the Reyes clan. Regards to Pororoy and Pororay, Ma'am Jerby, palagi pong nasa Facebook and story. Enjoy po. God bless. Good health and many more blessings to come in New Zealand. Bye-bye po.
Hi Louie! Happy birthday! Miss ka na namin, pati mga bata. Kumusta ka na dyan? Sana okay naman kayo. Okay na.
Happy 50th birthday po, Tito Louie. Siyempre sa kamukha ko, pares kami pogi niyan. Wishing you have a good health. Mag-iingat kayo palagi. Miss ko na kayo.
Hi, Tito Louie. Happy birthday. I just want to say thank you for all the love that you've shown us. Simula bata kami, iba na yung pinapakita yung love sa amin. Kayo nila Tita Willa, tsaka ni Mami. Hanggang sa magbinat at dalaga kami, ganun pa rin. Hanggang sa magkaroon na ng sarili-sariling pamilya. Andyan na si Pors, tsaka si Pars. Pero yung love, nandun pa rin, hindi pa rin nagbabago. I thank God na binigyan niya kami ng Tito Louie, na kagaya mo. Yun lang, Tito. Happy birthday. See you soon. Sana magbanding na ulit tayo. Mag-video, okay? Happy birthday, Tito. I love you.
Happy 50th birthday, Tito Louie. Ingat kayo palagi dyan sa NC. Miss na miss ko na kayo, lalo na si Pors at Kisaya. I love you all. Bye. Enjoy.
Hi, Kuya Louie. Happy golden birthday to you. It's been a while and that we haven't have a conversation. I think it was like 2 years ago, the last time we saw each other. And yeah, well, so I know you are already stable and like you are have fully adjusted there in New Zealand. And now that it's your birthday, I wish you more good blessings and more success in life. May it be personal or in your career, and also all the happiness for you on this special day. Continue to be an amazing dad to Pars and Pors, and a loving husband to my sister, Ate Jerby. That's it. Happy birthday and God bless.
Hi, Louie! Happy birthday! Sana masaya ka sa karawan mo, of course. Pray ko na sana finally matupad na yung mga pangarap mo, kayo ni Jerby, pati mga bata. Enjoy lang kayo dyan, but be safe all the time. Wish you all the best, good health and happiness always. We love you from your family here in California. Behind me is Michelle. She's actually making a matcha latte for you for your birthday. Say hi, Michelle, to Tito Louie.
Tito.
Say happy birthday to your Tito.
Happy birthday, Tito.
Where's your eyes? Your eyes are not on the camera. Just say hi and happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Okay, happy birthday. Enjoy. We love you.
Happy birthday, Tito Louie.
Happy birthday, Louie. Wishing you an unforgettable and blessed, a wonderful year ahead. And may all what you have worked for will come true. And then we wish you good health, happiness, and happiness and everything that your heart desires. So, would like to thank you for being a loving husband to Jerby and for a wonderful father to Kesaya and Kimwell. Hope to see you all in New Zealand. Yay! Happy birthday!
Hello, Louie. Happy birthday. May the Lord grant all the desires of your heart and may you enjoy your birthday. We wish you good health all the time, and we wish that everything will be okay for you out there. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Tito Louie.
Happy birthday, Tol.
Happy
birthday!
Hi, Weng! Happy birthday! 50 ka na.
Weng! Malagayang kaarawan. Saan tayo? Malayo pa naman eh. Kumusta na kayo dyan? Ito, kami ni ate mo nag-date dito sa labas ng bahay.
Nagkakape kami.
Nagkakape kami.
Happy birthday, Weng! Happy birthday! Love you!
Ayos.
Tawag nito. Sana masaya kayo dyan. Lagi namin kayong ipinagpa-pray. Enjoy lang. Sana patuloy kayong magpasalamat lagi sa Panginoon. Ha? Happy birthday! Bye-bye na kay Kurt.
Bye-bye.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
Louie, happy birthday. Ang tanging hiling ko sa iyong kaarawan, sana'y maging masaya ka. Maging matagumpay sa iyong karir. Patuloy na pagpalain ng Panginoong Diyos. Happy birthday, anak. I love you. Sana'y magkita-kita tayong uli.